All right, welcome back to John Brown's Rod Reviews. Today we got a Shakespeare Navigator, one of my all-time favorite spinning rods for bass fishing, especially finesse. This is a 6 foot spinning Navigator. It actually measures 75 inches, a little bit over 6 feet. But this is a medium, really nice rod. Handles 4, 5, 6 pound bass with ease. 30, 35 bucks these days. They came out 20 teens, and they used to be 15, 20 bucks. And I think 6 or 7 of these rods. Just great rods. It's really my go-to. I've caught more bass off of these than any other single rod ever. And so I recommend these to people all the time. If you're starting out, what do I start off bass fishing with? Get a Shakespeare Navigator. They're still out there. They're on Amazon. Really great rods. They come in this blue. They also have a red. It's an EVA foam handle. Not the best, but they do last. Like I said, I've had some of these for probably 10, 12 years, and they do really good in the sun, UV resistant. I really like the lightning bolt pattern too. They're sharp looking rods. But I've got 121 pennies here. I'll let you see what that looks like, and we'll get in on the action angle. Like I said, probably my all-time favorite. I don't know that it's going to be super sensitive with it being a two-piece, but I really love this rod. It's probably my go-to. Yeah, I never go fishing without it. I'll say that. So there you go. At 25-inch deflection, 121 pennies. I'll let you see what the action angle looks like. Get it right on the tip of the protractor there. So right at 64 degrees. So definitely a little bit of a slower action. This guy, um, I like the sensitivity in them, and I do like how responsive they are. I mean, this is not going to be, you know, a crazy responsive rod, but it's really nice, and the control casting with that lower action angle, I really like it. So let's come back. Let's get a sensitivity test on this guy. All right, so if you're new here, just as a reminder, we got our accelerometer up here for the sensitivity test. It'll measure the acceleration, force equals mass times acceleration. So that's how we're capturing what you feel at the reel seat. We've got 12 pennies loaded up, 10% of what the power was. Let's get some data. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, good capture. Let's check it out. So real quick before we look at the data, if you heard that jingling noise, that's actually the pennies hitting the ground. And I use that as a sanity check. It just means that everything was aligned, everything fell straight, sprang back up straight, so that the pennies flew out of the bag. So that's always just good to see. Means good capture, good data. 2.32 G's here. Just as another note, I do these tests until I get three results within 5% of each other. So just throwing that out there. So here, the Shakespeare Navigator is that green dot in the middle there. To be expected with a two piece, not the most sensitive in the world. Not gonna make me quit using this rod or anything like that. I do want to highlight its middle as far as the power and the action, which is really exactly what you're looking for out of a medium as far as the power and the action. Very versatile rod here. So there you have it, the Shakespeare Navigator. Kind of expected a little bit of a lower sensitivity there. 2.32, not bad. This is a nice two piece to travel with. It's a good size. You can put it in a packing tube or in a travel rod holder, and it does really well. I like it because it's so durable. This is a great rod for those jig finesse situations. I really like them for Texas rigs, shaky heads. I really like using these with a finesse worm or a creature. It's that time of the year here in the southeast where the spawn is on, and watermelon red, watermelon candy red, um, green pumpkin candy, any of those colors on a 5-inch finesse worm or a baby brush hog. just really really effective. I caught a 4 pounder yesterday with one of these with that Zoom 5 inch finesse worm. But there you have it. Uh, Hope you enjoyed it. Tight lines. Take it easy. We'll see you next time.